Myself, Pradeep Ghosh. I am an agile coach and a DevOps enthusiast. I am licensed trainer from for CPDoc from Agile Testing Alliance, and I am passionate about learning. Uh, that's what I can say.
And I'm Prabhat. I'm an agile coach. I can say myself an agile practitioner, public speaker, working currently in the bank and finance services. And I'm also with Pradeep ji as an CP Doc trainer with the ATA Agile Test Alliance.
Testing in digital world or DevOps practices, how it can um, happen in a better way, or it can be scaled maybe using a container like Docker. That would be our focus area, and we will talk around how we can do testing at scale using Docker container.
And it's really a good topic. I can say, like, we can even say I and Pradeep worked upon a good, especially to creating the scaling test. And we generally used to say that the DevOps is always come with the Agile and the Scrum, but no one is usually say to the, like, what is the testing? What is the role of the testing? And how a test team will becomes a scaling test. Nowadays, everyone is talking about the scaling, talking about the scaling of the organization, a scaling of the development, a scaling dependency between the sum of the different team, but no one is talking about the scaling. So it's a really good, especially to getting to know getting the test involvement in as a scaling level, not a single test, and how to do the scaling test. Another thing is that if we are doing the scaling things, how to do it by the container, where the Docker is that, and how much Docker is specifically useful for us, not only in the development, not only in the DevOps, it's also very much useful into the scaling test. So we both are part of that, and we will discuss on these things. It's a really good topic, first of all, because I and Pradeep both will share our experience that how we will do the scaling test. And although I'm from the development background, but Pradeep is from the long experience of the testing background, and he have seen the scaling. He has the particular practical experience of doing the test into the scaling level. When we are talking about the scaling level and we are practicing the DevOps, another Dockers come into the picture. So everyone knows the keyword into the market, everyone knows the keyword Dockers, but no one knows that exactly what would be the benefit of the Dockers, how we can take the leverage of the Dockers to get to know for better, especially in the DevOps, not only for the development, but also for the testing as in part of the scaling test. So it would be really good for them.
Basically, we'll give a live demo on this, that how a container can be used, and even in current digital transformation world and DevOps practices, how Docker can be leveraged to perform quality testing, at various level, rather than waiting until last moment and then doing testing, and how it can be quickly performed using Docker, and in multiple platform, independent of what OS and what underlying structure of the system is there. We can do it and test for testing community. It would be a good topic to learn a lot of things from this session.
And we can add also, like, it's a really good, especially for the testing community. But I think so that developers should also know, like, tester is really good, and developer can also come to get to know that how the things is going on from the testing side. So he and she should get something.
My personal takeaway for success is that I always follow the mantra of add value to yourself and improve yourself. That's what I always follow. And hard work, there's no alternate to hard work. and you should have appetite to learn, and you have to go to any extent to learn. Don't hesitate. Like, I would just give my example. Uh, in recent last 6 to 8 months, since I uh, is- attended CPDOP training, I am doing or I love to do technical training, technical learning, which I have not done in last 14 plus years. And in last 6 to 8 months, I have learned so many things. Just to give example, mob programming, TDDD, then entire DevOps pipeline, how to build, what to do, how to bring, which tool to use, how to prepare the pipeline, and learning about Docker and Kubernetes. All these things are really really helping me to look forward that how the industry is going. And I would suggest everyone to keep updating themselves on day-to-day basis, because technology and market is changing very fast. And always keep on adding value to yourself. Thank you.
Thanks, Pradeep ji. So yes, I am also almost the same things, and I generally use to mantra like continuous learning. Even we are the part of, I'm also part of the Agile, Scrum, DevOps, and every times we have learned the two things like continuous or relentless. So better to we should do the relentless improvement, and I generally follow to that. On myself, I learned a lot wherever I saw like that I should learn something. I learned a lot. Like even I learned the Lego. No one generally use in India Lego, and I have given one of the conference talk in Lego as an activity. So always try to learn a new things, and the learn within the boundary. It's not your boundary. So it's not your boundary. Better to learn beyond the boundary. Try something new. Try something different. Like I generally discuss so many things with Pradeep ji also regarding the learning, regarding the new things. Not a part of, if you are only not a part of the, or we are not limited our part into Agile or DevOps, apart from also how to do the facilitation. So think beyond of that, and it would be really nice. Apart from this, think beyond. If you are like in coaching, think that what the Agile coach is doing and what would be the coaching side. What is the difference between Agile coach and coaching? So once we will start to ask the question from ourselves, still we will be able to come to the point of relentless improvement and continuous learning. So that's I can say.